to Audrey Channel. Today we're opening animals.
Yeah.
As you know that when I was small, like when I was 3 years old, I made the videos. I didn't show you guys animals, but I had a lot when I was little. Go check it out on this.
Yeah.
On the
This
left
kind of
corner
animals from Japan. Takara, Tomy.
Hey, which side is it? This side or this side?
Both sides, maybe.
Maybe both sides.
Yeah, this is Takara Tomy from Japan.
Which one should we open first? Comment down below.
Anyway.
I want to open the cutest animal in the world. It's the bunny.
Yeah, let's see. What is that here?
What is the cutest animals in the whole world?
Well, which one you like most?
He didn't.
This is what they call is a white rabbit and.
Why do they still have this?
Yeah, because I bought it from Japan on a discount. You go to Japan, you buy some really good.
Can I open it now?
Yeah, you can open it now.
What?
You like to go to the zoo?
Yes. I have a lot of animals I like, but I haven't go to zoos in a long time.
No, last year we went to the zoo in Bangkok. Remember? Did we make a video?
No, you have to pull this out and then you open it. I didn't know that. Oh, it's so cute.
Yeah.
They don't even need any scissors.
And they got some description card in Japanese and in English.
Why is
you
this
see?
bag so big and this carrot is so small?
I don't know. What is rabbit and log?
What?
Eat it.
What the what?
Well, they have English and Japanese description here. You see? You see the card? It's a collectible card
Is it
for
really
collector.
English?
Yeah, it's in English and Japanese.
How do you do this?
In English
How
and
much
Japanese.
cards do we have?
And they got some advertisement in Japanese, which we have no idea.
How much cards do we have?
I don't know, a lot.
Really?
They got a carrot. It's a small carrot. You will lose it somehow.
It just fell out of the hole.
Yeah.
You don't need such a big bag for everything.
Yeah.
The things are just so small. Why don't you just put a wrapper around it?
I don't know.
Okay, look.
Can we have a
See you
close up
in
on
the
the
next video.
let's have a close up on the rabbit. Where are the
No,
rabbit?
the cards.
Just the card. Where is the rabbit?
Oh, sorry, Carrot. We don't touch them with our hands. We touch them with our cards. Because some of the bunnies are sick and we don't want to touch them, right? Sometimes. That's just my thing. Okay, so see you on the next video. Go that way! Go, 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 go. What? What?
Hey, it's time for filming.
Oh, sorry. Now we're gonna open another one. Let's open the Red Panda.
Yeah, it's a Red Panda.
We still have the poopies at the front. I see the toilet. Thank you, my
Toilet is always here. It's waiting for you.
Let's pull this
In case
out.
you are in emergency,
We
you
pull
can use
this
this one.
out. Can we pull all of them out first? Can we? Now we got the cards out and this thingy.
Yeah, some advertisement.
An English card and a Japanese card. Let's see this. What? So, what? There's something in there. What is this?
I don't know.
What? It fell off.
It's nothing. Just a package.
What?
They put
Why
a
do
lot to make the box much bigger than the contents, right?
Yeah.
There's a lot of paper.
Can I see the box again?
Yeah, it's a Red
They
Panda.
eat the bamboo.
Yeah. 2 Red Panda? I thought it's one. Yes, 2. That's
Yeah,
good.
it's
It's a
2.
pair of Red Panda.
Oh, it's so cute. Can the red pandas hold the bamboo? Let's give you a close-up first. Doo, doo, doo. Let's open the bamboos now. Let's see if that red panda can hold the bamboo.
No, I don't think so. Can you hold it? No.
Wait. I'm going to try again. I think it does. Look!
Oh, he can hold it and he can eat it.
It's so so funny. Let's just get that. What about this one? This one is even cute. This one is like eating this one. This one is right here. Okay, let's make it harder. We have to throw the rubbish away. Boom! Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Just kidding. Move on to the next video. This way or this way? Mini, mine and mo. Because you're not going to tell. What's it? Let it go. E-D-B-D-B-D, mo. Dun, 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 dun.
What are you doing downstairs?
Today we're gonna open this. We're here.
It's an Asian elephant.
You can, if you make his nose, his long trunk, how do you call it?
The trunk? Curry or what?
Curling. You can eat the apples. Do you want to close up first?
Elephant can eat a lot of things.
Elephant can eat people?
Yeah, have you ever? Yeah, you ride on an elephant before when we traveled to Thailand.
Really?
Yeah, with Grandpa.
I went to Thailand before. Which Grandpa?
3 times.
Oh.
The one living in Hong Kong.
Oh.
And you remember the poop from the elephant is heavy. You need to have a big bucket to hold it. And when they pee, it's terrible. It's just like watering the whole ground. Oh, they got to do this.
Did it wet the whole earth almost?
No, that's too exaggerated.
Is the whale?
Where's the elephant? You just saw us the car. Where's the elephant?
There's only one elephant.
It's in Japanese and
in
English.
A small bag.
That's the apple.
The apple is so cute. It's so small.
And this type of this series story is called Animal Adventure from Japan. It's made by Takara, Tomy.
It actually looks like a real apple, but so small.
Can we take a look at it?
It actually looks like a real apple, but so small, right?
Yeah, you need to put it right in the middle of the camera. Yes, middle, right in the middle. You see 9 square there. There's a good grid, and then you can make it clear, right? That's right. Okay, good. Now you can see yourself blur, right? Not that clear that the apple.
No, I'm clear.
Okay. Anyway, because you can see from the screen, you got 9 square, or we got the grid.
We got 9 square. Yeah. Why is the back so big? The elephant is not even that big. There's so much more space. You can actually put one more elephant in it.
Yeah.
And we're trying to put the apple in the elephant's mouth. Why is it not working? Why is it not working?
I don't know.
Oh, I have an idea. It says it can. What the what? No, it worked. I just saw it worked. This hole is way too... Ah! Only if I... Oh. It's okay, I'll make it up again. Oh, I got it. It flipped over. It's good. It's right here. And now let's move on to the next video. Portal! Wow! Hi guys, welcome to Audrey Town. Today, just kidding. Today we're opening this.
What's
a
that?
lion. A lion. Give it a close up.
What kind of lion is this?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's always good to put the objects right in the middle of the camera, and everybody can see it clear.
No,
right?
if you do it like this, you can't see. If you do it like this, you can't see.
Yeah, you got a grid, 9 grids. It's not actually square; it's a rectangular.
Yeah, it's a little bit square, a little bit rectangular. Now let's put it down and open it.
You have a lot of animals today.
Quite easy to open.
The apple is running around.
It's just one thing, and then another one of these. Seriously.
Useless paper ball.
The cards. Oops. Forgot to take out the other one. Cards.
Yeah.
I'll put it in the middle. Cards.
Yeah, it's one in Japanese and one in English.
Yeah, how do you know? I didn't realize.
Yes,
I
always.
have a lot of these cards.
Yeah, we have a lot because we got maybe
Tons of these animals.
from the same company.
Why would
We got a
only
lot
one
of boxes
thing?
already. Maybe we got 50 boxes. We got some small
No.
one and bigger
I
boxes.
dropped it.
Where is the lion? The lion fall down in a cage and never come up again. You kill him.
No, I didn't. That's from my last candies. Put it back. Thank you. Where's my last piece? Oh, I dropped it.
We eat the rabbit. The rabbit is here. You want to eat
They
it?
can jump very high. The lions use these boxes. Ow.
You gotta eat it. Eat
You
it.
want to...
No, the elephant is much stronger than the lion. The
Really?
elephant trunk can kill the
Yeah.
lion.
Really?
Yes, you're in the natural.
Because they're much bigger.
Yeah, but they are not drawn to scare. I mean, oopsie. You break it. Be careful, you break the teeth. I got a bigger trunk.
No, pretend you use the elephant trunk to curl the neck. It's dead. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. See you in the next video. Boo. Can I put this? Now we're opening another one. Wait a second. Where did the carrot go? Okay, let's just ignore it and open it. Got a crocodile. Oh, crocodile. Oh. Let's put it in the middle. That's always the best thing, right, cameraman? Okay, let's turn it around. Hey, cameraman!
There's a crocodile, saltwater crocodile.
Okay.
But there are different types of crocodile. Some are on the fresh water, some are the soft water.
What's soft water?
Not soft. Salt. That means seawater.
Salt, not salt. I don't know what you're talking about. What?
Crocodile.
You can open animals.
Crocodile eat a lot of things.
Wait, I feel I hear something.
What?
Well, how does the carrot get in here?
Somebody put the carrots inside the box?
Did I put it?
Yeah, maybe.
No, I did not put it.
Your sister.
I don't have a sister. It's in my assistant's tummy still. I mean my mom.
Yeah, it's still in mommy oval.
Oval. What is oval?
Yeah, the
Look.
thing in the body to hold the to hold the baby. Yeah.
Okay.
Where is the crocodile? Where is it?
It's on top of the camera. Use these frisbees. Aya.
Eat the camera. You want to eat the camera?
I'm gonna use these cards to frisbee him.
Oopsie.
I put one on the floor. And then he's eating the card. Oh no! He's breaking my English card. I only know how to read English. Stop biting the English. Where's the Japanese one? Bite this one. So fun. Did you put the Japanese one first?
No.
Yay! He's stuck. He's not gonna let me pull it out. Oh. Okay. Okay, Frisbee. So see you on the last video, or we should open it now. Just kidding. Bye. Oh, welcome to the last video of
The Takara Tomy Animal Adventure, right?
like Do you want me to teach you guys Chinese?
I don't know, some people may like you want to teach them Cantonese or Mandarin or Fujianese, Shanghainese or whatever it is.
Cantonese. The first class is Cantonese and animals in Cantonese is Dong Mat.
Okay.
Animal in Mandarin is Dong Wu.
How about Portuguese?
Say it again.
Dong Wu. Dong Mat. How about Portuguese?
Animais.
Animais.
Okay, now let's open
What's
it.
that?
It's a tiger lion.
No, this is a tiger, just a tiger.
No, it's a
simple
tiger lion. It's a tiger lion.
No, the tiger is tiger, lion is tiger. But actually in Thailand they have a hybrid breed. They put tiger and lion together and make a tiger lion or lion tiger. Anyway.
Okay, now let's give you the map. Want to try to get the cards out.
Have you ever seen a real tiger?
Really?
Yeah,
I
you
did.
went to shoot. You went to the
I
zoo in
remember
Bangkok.
something, and then we was riding on a train and we saw some lions and tigers. Why do they don't bite us? They've been trained.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a card, description card is in Japanese and in
1,
English.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boo! Blast off. Hey, let's play ball.
Where's the tiger?
In here. Why are these more stupid flap thingies?
Yeah, because they want
The
to make the
other one
box.
broke it.
They always want to make the box bigger, and then you can pick it up more easy from the shop because the box is big.
Can I break the box? No, I have an idea. I can take it out on the bottom if you want, but it's taped. Oh, how do I open the tape that easily? Because we opened it first, right? We cheated.
We don't open it. We just cut off the tape. We haven't opened it. Okay, you see the tiger? You can move the mouth and you can move the head, right? Let's look close up and see how you can move it.
Okay.
Wow. And you want to eat the red panda. The red panda is coming. Ah.
No, it's very small, right?
Yeah, it's too small.
But it's bigger
They don't
than
make it
me.
on scale. That's why the red panda look big and the elephant look very small.
No! In the real red panda, it's like we can carry it like a baby. It's like
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
Look at the red
The
panda.
tiger's
that
huge,
small.
actually, it's
The
huge.
tiger can step on it.
Yeah.
Look, it's huge. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can put the big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we got 1 million subscribers. So press the subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one. Goodbye. Woo!